Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesday. Today was a down market, but I was very happy with the areas that did better than the market today because they're the areas where we have made investments and the areas that I've been talking about in the past. And I follow 42 different categories, and I'm trying to find those categories that are outperforming the market on a regular basis. And so today, healthcare outperformed the market. We've got a pretty good sized healthcare position. Cybersecurity outperformed the market. Apple outperformed the market, which is one of our target stocks. Software as a category outperformed the market today, including Microsoft, and both Microsoft and Apple have done well here for quite a while, but in the last 2 days especially. And consumer staples. So these are the big companies making the things that we need to live off of. And again, they have been showing relative strength in the past. It's why we purchased them, and now they're showing their strength here and helping us. Even in a down day, we're going to fall less. The other area that's doing really well, and we just bought some more of this yesterday, is long-term treasuries, which are up quite a bit today. And treasuries in general have been doing well here as people still are looking for safe places to put their money. And so those are the areas. So a lot of the things that we've put into the portfolio here recently have done really well. And especially today, I enjoyed watching that. So even on a down day, there are things we can learn and we can watch for where we might want to go in the future. So I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I will look forward to talking to you tomorrow.